Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change a fillable text box text font size, and I'll change this text font size. This fillable PDF and custom font size also I'll set. Now select this font option and select field and drag your mouse cursor, select multiple one at once and press right button for your mouse cursor and select properties dialog box. This properties dialog box. Scroll down. This is font size option. Click on this box. You can make auto fit. See this, all of this font size options or custom font size. See this. In this way, you can change the text font size. Also, you can change one by one. Select field. This one. I'll make this font size auto. This one also. I'll make it 18 and see this one and 24 and see this. In this way you can change a text font size and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.